Hi, welcome. Simon here, and I hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fresh install Windows 10 on your new hard drive replacement. Okay, so for Dell, you need to press F12 to get into the boot menu. So let me go ahead and redo it again. Control-Alt-Delete to reboot. Tapping F12 while I have my USB installer insert on the side here. As you can see, it is insert. This USB installer you can download from Microsoft website, or you can go to Amazon and get yourself one of these Windows license key, the USB installer, and go ahead and install Windows on your brand new hard drive. All right, here we're going to select UEFI, send this, which is my USB, and then I'm going to press enter for Windows setup 64-bit. Alright, so when you get to this screen, what you have to do, go ahead and click next, install, accept the license term, click next, custom install Windows only, click on that. What I need to do is to delete my hard drive. My hard drive had some data on it, so I'm going to delete all of them. But when you install a brand new M.2 drive, it should not have any of that. What I just shown you, it should be just one of these that says drive 0 unallocated space, and it should match the size of the hard drive that you purchase. So for mine is 256. That's the hard drive I got. Click next, and just let the Windows to do the installation. Again, if you're not sure way to download that USB here to make your own USB, the one right here, down here on the right side, then more likely you can just go to Amazon and buy yourself one of these. Okay, the USB installer Windows that comes with the license key. Do I need the license key? The answer is no, you don't need them, because the computer itself has its own Windows embedded the license key, I believe, in the BIOS. So you will reuse the same license window and you can just install it. All you have to do is just go ahead and download yourself this USB Windows 10 installer and boot it directly to the UEFI. Okay, so I'm going to let the Windows do the installation, set it up, and the next process is to go ahead and download the driver. So you can go directly to the manufacturer. For my case, I'll be going into Dell support website and go ahead and look up with the serial tag number. With that, you can identify which exact laptop it is, and from there you can download the driver for your graphics card, for your the chipset, the driver chipset, the Intel, whatever it needs. Like usually it's the graphics, Intel chipset, SM bus, those sort of thing like that, or maybe the Wi-Fi network or the Ethernet network. Okay, so I'm gonna let the Windows do this copy files and then the installation, and be setting up the rest. Oh yeah, again, on the previous video, I changed out the hard drive to a full-size M.2. Remember that the original was the small as that, and then I go ahead and change out the larger M.2 drive, and that's what is installed right now in the computer. Now, for those of you who thinks that, hey, the hard drive might have a chance to recover the data, you might want to get one of these USB adapter that reads the M.2. You can stick it in here like such. Okay, get the little tape here. This is rubber band. Push it all the way down to secure and fasten that drive, instead of letting the drive like sticking at 45-degree angle, you want to go ahead and close it down like such. Okay, once you have it installed, then you can plug it into any of the computer, either Mac or PC. You can try to recover the data. Hopefully the hard drive is still good and recoverable, and you would have the data. So if you're not sure where to buy this USB adapter, check the link down description below. I got it through Amazon, maybe like 20 bucks, not that expensive, and it helps me a lot and was able to recover quite a bit of a data. Okay, so I'll link it down description below. Go ahead and check it out. And yeah, the Windows is still installing, so let's continue to install them. All right, once it's done installing, go ahead and restart the computer. At this point, you can go ahead and remove the USB installer. We do not need that anymore. I had to use the USB-C adapter, convert into a regular USB, because the laptop only runs on USB-C. All right, it's almost there.
here to help. A little sign in here, a touch of Wi-Fi there, and we'll have your PC ready for all you plan to do. Use your voice or the keyboard along the way, and if you'd like me to stay quiet, just select the little microphone icon towards the bottom of your screen. If you need an assistive screen reader, press the Windows, Control, and Enter keys at the same time to turn on narrator. Okay, enough intro. Let's dig in. Your region is set to the United States. Is that right?
Okay, for my case is United States. Click
Your
yes.
keyboard is set to US. Do you also type with enough?
Let's skip that.
Now let's get you connected to a
I'm gonna
network.
skip the network.
That way. Just so you know, type what you want to name your account.
I'm just gonna name owner for now.
Okay, now.
No, I don't need a password.
Hey, look, that's me.
Decline.
Windows can save.
Decline.
These are the settings. Almost done now. We just need to get a few more things polished up for you, and Windows will be all yours. Looking forward to helping out.
So again, if you do not have network, for some reason the driver on the Windows 10 installer did not pick up any of the Wi-Fi, what you can do is you might want to get one of these USB adapter and connect it to your internet directly. So this adapter here allows you to plug in the internet core from your router directly to the adapter, and you can stick it into the computer here on the side, and that way you can go ahead and do the Windows update or driver installation. You can bring it up, from the internet. I'm pretty sure at this moment right now that most of the drivers are missing. If I right click and go to device manager, I probably see a bunch of missing drivers right here. Okay, you can see a bunch of missing stuff here, which is not good. And even my touchscreen is not working. So with the Windows update as well as the internet, you might able to, or maybe go to the Dell website and download all the drivers, and then you have a working computer. All right, hope this video is helpful. Any question, comment down below. Thanks for watching, and subscribe if you haven't. Bye now.